This Math in Minute video is on positive and negative number rules with respect to addition and subtraction. So let's start with addition. If you have two positive numbers and you add them together, let's say you have positive 3 plus 4, you're going to get positive 7. So a positive plus a positive is going to give you a positive number. So let's say you have a negative 3 plus a negative 4. You are going to get negative 7. So a negative plus a negative is going to give you a negative number. So adding with different signs, the first thing you will do is subtract the two numbers. So in our first example, we have 3 and 4, and when we subtract that, we would get 1. Then we're going to look at the larger number and determine whether it's positive or negative. So in this case, our larger number 4 is positive. So the difference between the two numbers is 1, and it will be positive 1. Looking at the second example, we take the difference between 3 and 4, and again, that's 1. But our larger number is negative. So in this case, our answer is negative 1. Likewise, we'll go down to the bottom and we subtract 100 from 70, which is 30. And we see our larger number of 100 is negative. So our answer is negative 30. And again, 100 minus 70 is 30. And the 100 in this case is positive. So our answer is positive 30. So that was addition with different signs. So now let's take a look at subtraction. So in this case, with subtraction, the rule is to rewrite the subtraction as adding the opposite sign. So let's take a look at number 1, the first problem, and see what that means. So we have negative 3 minus negative 4. So we're going to make our subtraction an adding of the opposite. So we're going to make that negative 3 plus 4. So we would get the answer of 1, because then we would resort back to subtracting the two numbers and then putting the sign of the largest number. So let's go over to this one. We're going to rewrite the subtraction as adding the opposite. So we're going to add, and then we're going to make this a negative. So now we have negative 3 plus negative 4, which yields negative 7. Let's go down to the bottom. We're going to rewrite our subtraction as adding the opposite. The negative 70 becomes a positive 70. So we're going to have negative 100 plus 70, which the difference is 30. And since our bigger number is negative, it'll be negative 30. Here, we're going to do 100 minus 70. We're going to rewrite our subtraction as adding the opposite sign. So now we have 100 plus negative 70, and that gives us positive 30. So those are the rules for positive and negative integers or numbers with addition and subtraction. Any math topics you'd like me to cover, please leave in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, like and share, and we'll see you next time.